Do you know that this tiny blueberry is one of the most powerful superfoods on the planet? Want to look younger without spending a fortune? This tiny ancient berry is the secret weapon you need. It's not a magic pill, but it's pretty close. These are blueberries. These little powerhouses are packed with antioxidants called anthocyanins. That's what gives them their deep blue color. They fight inflammation and free radicals, which are major causes of aging. One cup has more antioxidants than most fruits and veggies combined. They're amazing for your brain too. Studies show they can improve memory and slow cognitive decline. One cup contains 24% of your daily vitamin C, 3.6 g of fiber, and a host of other nutrients, like manganese and vitamin K. Research shows they enhance cognitive function, improve memory, and may even lower the risk of Alzheimer's. Plus, they help regulate blood sugar levels for steady energy throughout the day. Think of them as food for your mind. Plus, they're loaded with vitamin C, which helps build collagen. That's what keeps your skin firm and bouncy. The best part? You can add them to anything. Smoothies, oatmeal, yogurt, or just snack on them plain. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.